Hello all, welcome to Raj Informatica. Please subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Today's topic is XML source qualifier transformation in Informatica Powercenter. So before XML source qualifier we will go. What is called a XML file? What is XML file? Why we need XML file? Anybody? What is XML file? What is the need of XML file? Why we will use XML file? First of all, what is XML file? Can anybody tell please? What is XML file? Can anybody tell quickly? What is XML file? So nobody knows about it? Nobody knows what is XML file? See, when I come to ETL tools, we will use normally three types of files. What are the three types of files you know? What are three types of files you know? What are those? I told in the Powercenter, when I tell about files, I told about it. What are the three types of files we will get it? We will get it three types of files: structured files, semi-structured files, unstructured files, correct? These are the three types of files. Before going to JSON, before going to XML, the basic files are structured files, unstructured files, semi-structured files. Structured files in the sense, data files are flat files. Semi-structured files are XML files or JSON files. Unstructured files are video, audio, PDF, Word, etc. Correct? Yes, guys? We know how to use this. We know how to use the flat files, data files, that is CSV files, DAT files, text files, out files. We know about it. But we don't know XML files and JSON files that we are going to learn. The first thing is XML file. After XML file, we'll go to JSON file. After XML file, we'll go to JSON file. So first, what is XML file? So XML file means XML means extensible markup language. Extensible markup language. See, normally, you know HTML files. What are HTML? What are HTML files? What are HTML? Web pages, correct? HTML, ASP. These are all web pages. Yes or no? Hypertext markup language. HTML means hypertext markup language. So all these websites are in HTML format or AXE format or XML formats. So web data, the data in the websites will be stored in the format of HTML or ASP or XML. Sometimes in some projects, client will send the data in the format of flat files or in the format of XML files also. Correct? Yes, please. When they send in XML format, you should read the data by using XML source qualifier. You know normal source qualifier, correct? Everyone knows about this source qualifier. This is just a source qualifier. This is just a source qualifier. So can read the relational tables, can read the data from flat files, correct? Now, it cannot read a JSON, it cannot read XML files. For that, we have separate transformation called XML source qualifier. Now, before going to XML source qualifier, we should see what is XML format. We should see what is XML file, what is the format of XML file. Let me show you a sample XML file. So let's see the sample XML file. So this is a sample C, employee.xml. So it will be under .xml. You see this? This is .xml. If you see employee.xml, open in Notepad++. Okay, customer. Let's open customer. A simple one. You see this? So this is a format of XML file. This is a simple format of XML file. In this Cust is a root name. I can say root it is. Cust is the root name. These are the labels. I can say this is the table name. These are the column names. Correct? Yes or no? In the cust table, I have one record. Customer ID, name, credit limit, location. Same way, this is called a root. These are called labels. Every root will end with a end root. Every label will end with a end label. Okay. So let's show you one more XML file. So suppose let's see catalog. You see this? So the catalog, the root name is catalog. Under this we have title, artist, country, company, price, year. This is one record. This is second record, third record, fourth record, 5, 6, like this. Yes, please. These are called XML files. Understood, everyone? Are you clear? I'll show you one more XML file. Let's take books. Books is XML file. Let's take this. So we have book, author, title, genre, price, publish, description. So these are the simple XML files which I'm showing you. Like this, we have complex XML files also will be there. Okay. First, you need to understand simple thing first. How to read the data from XML file, how to load it to target table. That is our requirement. Did you understand, please? Everyone, what is XML file? So this is a format of XML file, but every XML file will be having a XSD. XSD means, what is XSD means? XSD, XML schema definition. See, it's very simple, please. Suppose I need to insert 10 records into table. I need to insert 10 records into a table. What to do? If I want to insert 10 records into a table, what I will do first? First, what I will do? First, I will write a create table statement. First, I will write create table statement, correct? First, I will write create table statement. So this is also called metadata, correct? Structure of the table. Structure of the table. Let me put it in the next one. Yeah. So first I need to create the table, correct? Structure of the table. Then I can insert. Same way. If you want to insert if you want to create XML file, or if you want to read the XML file, we should have XSD file also. This is called a structure of XML file. Definition or metadata. Understood? Definition of XML file. And this is the data inside the XML file. Actual data. Understood? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understanding? Clear about it? So, let's say suppose, for example, they have given a requirement. My requirement is this. What is the requirement is? This is my source. This is my target. Source is my XML file. Source has came in the format of XML file. What kind of XML file? Cust.xml. It is having one record. Inside it, it is having one record. Now I need to load by using Informatica. I need to load this one record to target table. This is my requirement. Okay? Got it, please? Did you understand the requirement? So my my cust XML file is having only one record. Check it out. My cust underscore XML is having only one record, which is having 4 columns, 4 tags. I can tell in tags we will call, but only one record. So that record should be loaded to target. That record should be loaded to target. Yes, please. So this is tag. Customer ID is a tag. Cust name is a tag called column. I can say column. In XML language, they will call it tags. Clear, guys? Understood? Everyone? Are you clear? So now what to do first? First, you should have a XSD for this. before you read the source or before you import the source, you must have a XSD file. How XSD file look like for customer? How XML schema definition look like? So this is extensive markup language file, XML file. Now what I want is, I want XSD, XML schema design. So I have XML schema design. See here, custom XSD file. Are you seeing XSD file? Yes, please. So open this. So this is XSD file. This is cast.xsd file. So I'll put this in here only to make you understand. Now compare these two. This is XML file. The above one is XML file. The below is the XSD, correct? The below is the XSD. Yes, in real time, they may provide XSD or you can generate also. They'll provide XSD with XML file or you can generate also. How to generate, I'll show you. See please. See here. So this is XML version and encoding UTF-8 or 16, whatever. And schema, okay. This is some syntax. This is some syntax. And element names and data types. Type is data type. Element names and sequence complex type. Schema. Like this is the metadata of. This is the metadata of what? XML file. XSD is a metadata of XML file. Now suppose I don't have this file. I don't have XSD file. I have only XML file they given. They given only XML file. This file they given. I want to generate the XSD. Without XSD, you cannot do the mapping, please. If you want to read the data from XML file, you must have XSD first. You must have XSD first. Understood? Clear about it? So now, how to generate the XSD? So we have so many websites, free websites. So I have given one website here. Just take the website. This is the one. Okay. So this is the one. XML to XSD converter. Just copy paste in Google Chrome. Okay. So this is XSD converter. Now see, sample XML document. Remove this. So whatever the XML document you got it, take this and put it here. I am not a robot. Now see please, generate schema. Is it generated XML, XSD? For XML file, is it generated XSD? Now you take this, put it in a notepad, open a notepad and paste here and save in XSD. What is this? Save in XSD. How to save this in XSD? File, save as. File, save as. Suppose I am saving in my some Java location here somewhere. Here you write cust.xsd. But don't save it as a text file. All files, let it be cust.xsd and all files save. Now, it could have saved under XSD. Now see here. Is it saved under cust_xsd? Suppose I have one more. Let's take one more XML file. Which is XML file? Let's take this catalog, books or catalog, anyways. So this is my XML file. This is my XML file. Okay. I want XSD for this. Take this. Come to this utility. So just refresh it. Refresh it. Now here, remove this and paste it here. I am not a robot. And generate schema. So now take this. Or you can no need to copy paste here. Just copy here. See, copy to clipboard. Copy this and put it in a notepad. File, save as. Here all files. Here you give catalog.xsd. Understood? Everyone understanding? So in real time, three ways. Either they will give XSD format for XML file, or they will give a utility, their own utility, to convert XML to XSD, or you can do your own XSD. Are you clear? Understood, please? Everyone understanding? Did you understand now what is the XML file? What is XSD file? Are you clear? XML file and XSD file. Are you clear? XML file will be actual data. XSD is a schema definition. I have shown you how to, once you get a XML, okay, how to get the XSD I have shown you, correct? Yes, please. Yeah. So now what I do, I will take this XML and XSD both. So you can give any name, but I have given cust XML, cust. Take this and put it in your source files. Put it in your source files. So now we will take XML file and we'll read it. Are you ready? Shall we do the mapping? I have XML file with one record. Now I want to load it to target, to table. What is my target table name? I given the target table name also. Yes, please. Take the target table name. What happened to this? Yeah. So here I given the target table names. Target tables. First take this target. Cust TGT 30. For cust XML, cust TGT 30 is my target. Okay. Yes, please. What is my target? Cust TGT 30 is my target. So my XML file name is cust XML, cust.xml. My target name is cust TGT 30. So now what you do? First. So let's create a target table in my target schema. Understanding everyone? Guys, able to understand, please? Able to understand? Everyone? No confusions? Okay. Let's go here, Powercenter. Now in my source, I have in my SRC files, I have cust XML and cust XSD also, cust.xsd also. Now what to do first? First, we need to import. You cannot directly import XML file. You need to import XSD. So the first thing you need to do is, I have mentioned here, the first thing is to read the data from XML file, you must have .xsd. Generate the XSD file from this first. Then go to Informatica, go to sources. First import XML definition. You go to sources. Are you seeing import XML definition? Are you seeing import XML definition? Yes, please. Click on it. Now it is going directly to SRC files. Under cust.xsd file is there. Click on open. Once you click on open, you will get one error. Once you click on open, you will get one error. What is that error? I'll show you now. Just wait. Yeah, you see this? So once you import XSD, what it will do is, it will give yes or no. Some infinite column length, yes or no, it will show. You click on yes. Once you click on yes, this window will open. Which window? This window will open. In this, you give override all infinite length with value 1000. You give here, you will get an error. Once you get this error, click on yes. So first you will get yes or no. Then click on yes. Then click on, would you like to XML views to be generated? Then click on this tick mark override and give 1000. And give 1000. Yes, please. And give 1000. And scroll down. Down also the same thing will be there. There also you give 1000. Understood? Are you clear, guys? Everyone? Understanding what to do? Because that error we will get it. So I cannot show you that error. That's why I took a screenshot and I am showing you. Clear about it? Are you clear, guys? So once you import, once you go to here, sources, once you go to sources, let me do in another folder to show you better. And I'll do in this folder. Yeah. Go to sources, import XML definition, cast, click on open, click on yes. And as per this, you give 1000 here, length, maximum length you give it. Now what to do? Just observe. So this is XSD took, click on next. Now XML file can be these many formats. XML file can be these many formats. One can be entity relationship, hierarchical relationship. It can be custom XML view. It can be custom XML definition, synchronization. So in this, 99% will use a second option because our XML file is in tree structure, correct? Is our XML file is in tree structure? Is in a tree structure hierarchical model. What is this? Normally XML files will be hierarchical model. Are you clear, please? XML files will be hierarchical model. Understood, everyone? So select the second normalized XML views, click on finish. Now it imported what? XSD. Now when you come to sources in the left side, are you seeing XML file? But it is not XML file, it is a XSD. Understood? Understanding, everyone? You see this name, XPath, and data type and length. The 1000 length will come here. First string, you take 1000 as maximum length. That is what I'm showing. Understood? Are you clear, guys? So first, you need to generate the XSD file for XML. Then go to sources, import from XSD, go to import from XML definition, select this and give the 1000, click on next and select the second option and click on finish. Now, normally, if any source, if you double click, what will happen? It will just open like this. But when you double click XSD, it will open a separate window. See, please. Is it open a separate window? It is showing the column names, Powercenter column names, not null or not, XPath, okay? And these things, all these things it will show like this. So, but we will not do anything here. Just let it be the same thing. Clear, guys? Are you clear? Understanding? So I imported the source. Import the target also. Imported XSD, XML schema definition. XML schema definition. Now import this. Okay. OTTG table 1. What is my target table name? Let's see. Okay. My target table name. Okay. So what is my target table name? Let's see the target table name. My target table name is custTGT 30. Is it custTGT 30? Yes. So I created just now, correct? custTGT 30. Select it. Now try to understand carefully. custTGT 30. Now create a mapping. M underscore custTGT 30. Now we are learning XML source qualifier. XML source qualifier. Click on OK. Now drag the XML file, this one. Under left side, XSD file is there. Cust, drag it. When you drag, an XML source qualifier has come automatically. See, when you drag the normal source, how it will come? It will come like this, correct? Did you see the difference between XML source qualifier and normal source qualifier? Did you see the difference, please? This is in XML format. This is in normal format. Understanding, guys? Everyone understanding? Now drag the target. Drag the target. custTGT 30. Now what you have to do? So these things you connect it. Are you clear, please? So if you go to transformation, create. First one, XML source qualifier, XML parser, XML generator. Three transformations are there for XML. In that, we are learning first XML source qualifier. Import the XSD, then drag the XSD. XSD will come with a source qualifier, connect to target. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Any doubts? Any doubts, please? The steps I have given, I'll give a step-by-step notes again later. But for a temporary purpose, I given here. Go to Informatica, sources, import XML definition, create a mapping, and drag XML in the left side pane to the mapping designer. XML file will come with source qualifier. Then drag the target and do the mapping. Everyone understood? Is there any confusion? Is there any confusion, please? You cannot after this. After this, you can add any transformation. You can add a filter transformation if you want. You can filter out the records. You can add any transformation now. It acts as normal columns now. See? See here? So this XML source qualifier is reading the data from XML. That's it. And here after this, you can use any transformation you want. Like normal, you can do it. Are you clear, please? Understood? Guys, please respond. Will you able to understand? See, my training goal is simple. I wanted to make complex things simple. Is it simple or not? Are you feeling XML transformation simple or not? Normally you thought, right? XML, Java transformation, I cannot do in my life. XML transformation, I cannot touch me in my life. You could have thought, but nothing is impossible. XML is also easy. XML also easy. Yes, please. In transformation, no need to select anything. See what I done. I did not select a transformation. Just I imported XSD, imported a target, create a mapping. When I import the XSD, on the left side, under sources, when I import XSD as a source, under sources, you got XML file, correct? Now create a mapping and just drag the XSD here. It will come with XML source qualifier. You don't need to create XML source qualifier again. Understanding? You don't need to take it. You don't need to go to transformation and you need to go take it. Yes, please. XML source qualifier will read only XML files, correct? In the name itself it is. XML source qualifier will read only XML files. Understanding, guys? Are you clear? Yes, please. Clear about it? Now drag the target. Cast digit 30. Understood or not, guys? Anything difficult here? Is there anything difficult here, please? Guys, please respond. There are almost 52 people are there. Able to understand clearly? Please respond. Yeah, okay. Done. My mapping is done. Now generate workflow. Generate workflow. Next, finish. Go to workflow manager. So batch 19 evening, correct? Yes, please. In this XML source qualifier, this is the one. So now open the session. Now here, what is your source file now? Under under this, what is your source file? What should I write? Cust.xml. My actual XML file is cust.xml, correct? This is my requirement. I have a cust. Normally what to do? I should read the data from cust.xml, correct? That is my requirement. So first I created XSD. First I create XSD, then import it, then drag the XSD to mapping. XML source qualifier has come. Now here you should write under sources cust.xml. Are you clear? Read the data from XML through XSD. Understanding? Same in normal also. First we'll import if source is a table. First we'll import the metadata table, and here we'll give the connection. Same here also. Correct? Yes or no, guys? Here we are importing the metadata of XML file through XSD, And we are giving the XML file here. And target, give the target connection. Are you clear, guys? Understood? OTTGT dev10. Okay, bulk to normal. But we are using only XML file in mapping, not XSD. In mapping, this is XSD one. This is a structure. See, please. Suppose if it is a mapping, let's take a normal mapping. Here you will take directly the data or the structure. Will you take the directly data or structure from the table in the mapping designer? We'll take the structure first, not data. This is metadata. First, we'll take the structure. Mapping will deal with the structures. Then when you go to session, you will create the connection. There it will deal with the data. Same way, we are just importing the cust XML structure by using cust XSD. Yes or no, please? Are we taking cust XSD? Oracle table structure, XML table structure. Same thing. No change at all. Instead of Oracle table structure, I am taking what? XML structure. XML structure is XSD. There is no particular name for Oracle structure, but there is a name for XML structure called XSD. Clear? Understood, guys? Are you clear? So, but here you need to write the XML file, .xml in the source. So now target OTTGT dev10, dev1, correct? Sorry. OTTGT dev1. Apply, okay, save. Now run it. So it will load, it will read one record from XML file. Did it read one record, unloaded one record? Unloaded one record. Just check. Just check this table. Select star from cust TGT 30. Yeah, one record loaded. See the XML file. We have 101 Raj 50,000 Bangalore. The same thing loaded into table. The same thing loaded into table. Yes, please. Clear about it? Are you clear, guys? Let's do one more mapping. Let's do one more mapping. Suppose let's take catalog. I have a catalog XML file. This is my catalog XML file in my source location. Catalog XML file. Okay, this is my XML file. In catalog, how many records are there? There are n number of records. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 records maybe. We'll see how many records. This is my catalog XML. I converted catalog XSD also, like I shown. This is my catalog XSD. And now my target. I have given the target here. Catalog.tgt. Catalog.tgt. Yes, please execute it. So this is my catalog.tgt having 0 records. Having 0 records. Yes, please. Execute it. So this is having 0 records. Now what to do? First step. What is the first step? Quickly. We need to go to IICS also. Quickly, please. What is the first step? What is the first step? Go to sources. Import XML definition. Guys, understanding everyone, please respond. Understanding everyone? Import XSD. Which one? Catalog XSD. Click on open. Catalog next. Hierarchy. Finish. So one XML file, one XML is generated here. See catalog. Now import the target. Import the target catalog TGT. Now do the mapping. M underscore catalog TGT. M underscore catalog TGT. Then XML source qualifier. XML source qualifier we are learning. Catalog and catalog TGT. Yes, please. So here what to do? So take this. Save. Now generate the workflow. Generate the workflow. Yes, please. Finish. Workflow manager. Disconnect and connect. Now what will be my source file name? What will be my source file name? That is why always give the XSD name and XML file name same. so that you will not confuse. Always I give XML file and XSD file name same. Catalog XML, catalog XSD. Give the same name always. Now go to workflow manager. Catalog XML source qualifier. Now what is my source file name? What is my source file name, guys? Catalog.xsd, correct? XML, correct? Catalog.xml, yes or no? My source file name is catalog.xml. When you import, you have to import the XSD file, correct? While importing, you need to import the XSD file structure. While giving the name, you should give the actual file name, XML file. Now start. Did I not give the target connection? Target. Yes, please. Apply. Okay, run it. Start. Now check it out. How many records loaded? 5 records loaded. Check. Check the catalog. 5 records loaded. Yes, please. This is my XML file. It reads successfully. It reads successfully and loaded. See. Okay, see here. The same thing. Artist, Arjit Singh, India T series, price 2018. Clear, guys? So this is about XML transformation in Powercenter. In the next videos, we will see what are those XML parser we will see, XML generator we see. So I hope you people understood about XML transformation, XML source qualifier in Powercenter. See, I am covering Powercenter also in our training, correct? Because if you know Powercenter, IICS is very easy, dead easy I am saying. Correct? Yes or no, please? If you don't know Powercenter, IICS is very difficult. Correct? Will you agree? That is why if it is taking time also, this is IICS training, not Powercenter training, correct? Normally, I should not tell all these things. I can directly go to IICS, yes or no? Correct, guys? But I am not going like that. I am telling first a clear-cut idea I am giving on Powercenter. Then I am going to IICS. So, you liked today's topic interesting? Is the today's topics are interesting and more advanced concepts you are learning? Yes? Okay. I hope you got a good knowledge about XML source qualifier. This is all about today's topic. I hope you got good information from my videos. For more information, please subscribe my channel, like and comment on my videos. Thank you. Thank you all.